Hi, good afternoon, everyone. Here we are for round 83 of trying to get this brake master cylinder lock wired. So, as you can see, we had multiple issues when you decide to lock wire your bolts. So one, I go through quite a few drills, especially when you deal with the hardened fasteners. I go through quite a few of drill bits. I've been experimenting with different kinds, but it's basically slow and steady. Apply oil, and you go up and down, clean off the bit. So that's one negative to this. Two, it's lock wiring can be a pain in the butt, as you've seen so far. You know, you'll break the line, you'll break the lock wire hole if it was cut too or drilled too shallow. But, you know, out of all the disadvantages, advantage, looks cool. It securely holds the bolt, but I mean, it's nothing that a little Loctite and some torque paint won't do as well, right? So it's all about what you want. I'm just giving out options there. And also, I'm not a racer or anything, but I guess some track regulations require you to have your lock wires, or your bolts lock wired. So anyway, so I'll go bottom up. We'll finish this off. Knock on wood. Back there. That should be good. Pass that through here. Good and tight there. It's pretty tight. Alright, so this one's going to come straight to this hole here. So I pull on it, we'll tighten it. Sets of snips here. Double method. Make sure I get this pigtail nice and tight. I have to get myself some good brand of duckbill pliers. It's perfect for this. Alright, that should be nice and tight. Finish it off. I'm doing the final pigtail here. Sorry. Anyway, when I'm doing the final pigtail here, I give myself lots of braid, lots to work with. Because one, it gives you more to play with when you want to do the final bend over. Bend it over there so you don't cut yourself. And it doesn't leave a mess on the ground. It just comes off in one piece. Oh. Alright, I'm just going to tighten her down a little bit here. Excellent. Let's make the cut right about there. Stuff a little to play with. You can always trim more off if it's a little bit too much. But that looks right about good. So grab it around the middle, pry it down, and clip it like that. There you go. Also push it down out of the way too. It doesn't hook on your pants or anything like that. Alright. There we go. That's what it looks like. It's never coming off. Unless you want it to. Alright, thanks for staying with me on this journey here. And if you like what you're seeing, you want to see more tech tips, you want to see the progress of this bike, feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.